know because I don't look at YouTube. So
I subscribe to your page,
Whatever.
so
Okay, you don't watch
All right.
YouTube videos? Music videos on YouTube?
You
Oh,
watch
well, you
YouTube?
should.
You watch YouTube all the time.
That's
You
all
lie.
I used to, but I don't anymore
Isn't
because
there
they've
you get your
changed it,
songs?
and you have to belong to it.
No, you don't.
Get on.
I just signed in and I don't.
Well, what's signing in is. You
Yeah,
know,
but you have to sign into everything, the bank and all that stuff. All right, Pat, did
Yeah,
you
that's
hear?
okay, don't do
If
that.
you, there's water bottles like in the fridge or the other fridge.
I brought my own. I brought my
Hairball.
juice.
It's dry. Like the flour. There's no cold water. So don't put it to the Pierogi making 2025. We start out with mimosas. Okay? And we have strawberry boba, popping boba. If somebody doesn't eat their boba, I'll eat it.
All right.
Okay, so you put the juice in first. Because you don't want the
What does
bubbles.
the boba consist of?
It's like tapioca balls.
It's
pretty much,
they're
right?
little balls that disappear in your mouth and they taste like strawberry. They taste like strawberry.
The giggle factory.
She's here all day.
I'm gonna have to edit this so children can't watch it.
Don't worry, I won't quit. Addie doesn't mind.
She knows. She's my niece.
I lost the cap. Okay, and now, well, we'll do Addie's. Because Sprite. Sorry. Next year.
When she's 21.
Oh, when she's 21. Okay, we'll do that. And then the rest are, I see how that's different. Well, that one's too, but. No.
No?
Oh,
I was
oh
just
no,
gonna
no.
give it to her
No,
since you want-
no, we'll, that's like, damn it, Jim.
Who's Jim?
You know, on
James
Star
T. Kirk.
Trek. Damn it, Jim.
Oh.
You know the doctor? He's like,
I've never watched it.
damn it, Jim.
I thought it was Damn It Janet. I know Damn It
I
Janet.
know Damn It Janet.
Damn it, Janet.
Rocky Horror.
You're such a good girl.
It's pretty.
That doesn't come very far. Oh. I guess we don't have to. Okay, all right. Now, okay, now you can pass. Now you can.
Oh, boy, that was-
Everybody wasn't done.
What's the difference?
Here, thanks. Thank you.
Oh,
I got.
Did I
Merci
get-
beaucoup.
Good.
you get the little one, honey.
Oh, I get one too.
Oh yeah. Oh, you need another hand. All right. So here's two. I hope the dough. We'll find out if the dough is good or not, and hopefully we make 100
You're
and
the one
something.
that always has done it, so
That's
you should
right.
know what you're doing.
All right.
You know what you're
No.
doing.
I know what I'm doing.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Chin chin.
Babushka.
Here's another Pierogi.
Stola.
Stella.
Chin
Ooh. Chin chin.
Use some flour.
Bam.
Yeah,
We used to do that. Ooh.
Tingle.
Oh.
I bet you can't wait to get to that.
Oh,
boba.
it's tingly. Is right. Cheers. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Where we came from.
Yeah.
You're Polish today. We are all Polish.
Yakshimash.
Damn you, bougie.
Ooh,
I'm
yeah.
gonna get some of that on me or something. Trying to say that'll be like.
What?
Never mind.
I know we all go.
She knows it.
I just smiled everything because
Yeah.
I was dirty.
Cheers. Cheers to that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll drink to that.
Daddy.
I drink to the opening of a letter. Isn't there like a actress? She
I
goes
made
to
the
anything.
potatoes.
It's cottage cheese and potatoes and onions. I made some dough to start. It's resting. Pat and I, don't jump my. Pat and I are gonna roll, and then you can just see when we're rolling. Eventually, when we get enough, Addie and Stephanie are gonna pinch, because you need pinchers to close it nice. And then when we get a dozen,
What are we making first of all?
Pierogi.
Pierogi.
Yeah,
I was like,
what she said.
No.
Okay.
Pierogi.
Joking. Yeah.
What do we
And
got?
then-
What do we got going over here?
Pots of water, you have to boil them
Okay.
10, 12 minutes. 10 minutes?
They float when they come to float. Then you start timing them.
Okay. Oh, see, she knows.
This is my deal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is her.
This is
She's
mine.
been doing.
All right, so this is your station.
This
She's
is my
the
station.
pot stirrer.
Yeah, okay.
Stephanie and Addie are the pinchers,
My,
and Pat and I are the
Rollers.
rollers. Because look at
And the stuffers.
Okay.
rollers and stuffer, and I'm the dough maker. So in between, I'll make dough, and we each have our own rolling pins. This is like 500 years old, and hers is probably 600 years old.
I think this is the one you assaulted me with the other day.
No, it was this one, because mine's
Oh.
metal. Oh, and then there's the KitchenAid. That's where I make the dough, and then I
Okay,
do
we
the
whipped
rest
up the
by
dough
hand.
already.
Okay, all right.
So what's with the onions?
Oh, they get put on them later. We'll talk about that later.
All right.
When they get
When the first doesn't
drained.
get
Yeah, we'll talk about that when it comes to it.
All right, because I have no idea what's going on
Take a
here.
deep breath and
So you
again.
got to explain everything.
Once we get going, it'll be good.
I know. Tell them.
Okay.
I'm not gonna give away all my secrets right away. Yeah. You know, I watched, and all the other places do circles and then squeeze them together, and we tried it.
Yeah.
And I don't know how they do it, because Grandma always did this. Okay, I'm not gonna. I think that's a better one than I'm not. You
That's
know,
good. You don't really have to burp it.
All right, so what are we doing now? What's the,
we're making pierogies.
okay.
Duh.
We have to roll the dough to just a certain thickness. It can't be real thick, because if we boil it and it's real thick, then you're going to have a lot of dough.
See
for
what
your
she
pierogi.
said.
Okay.
And then we cut them. We don't. This is the way Grandma taught us.
Okay.
Do you have slotted spoons?
To the left, there's one.
Okay.
I didn't.
All right, let's get over here and see what's happening here now.
right.
If we need another towel.
So this is the pinching cart. So they come over here, and sometimes they have air in them. So you have to burp the air out of them, so they don't explode when they're getting boiled. And then you just pinch the edges.
She's a
Nice.
professional.
That's it.
She's a professional.
Letting that air out.
Yeah.
you're letting that air out.
Forgetting what I was my brain.
Okay. No. Just put the. Look at. Watch me.
Yeah.
Watch.
I'm
Go like.
forgetting.
Like. See this?
Isn't that great?
No. We haven't done it in a year.
Yeah. Plus, I've had a lot
I'm
of
gonna-
games going on.
Yeah, this is gonna go over, right?
Oh,
so,
gotcha.
Yeah,
Okay, now
yeah.
I-
So we just put like a tablespoon.
Good luck putting the potato in them.
I
That's
know,
the
right?
thing.
How they
Well,
put
we
potato.
tried it one
And
year.
they're just tiny ones.
I see people doing it,
And
You're
they're
gonna do it?
tiny though.
and they pull it up. So what do they do? Like
Make sure you get the air out.
a little. They put it in the middle. That's a little. And then they go.
And then you're stretching it. You're risking popping. They must put just a little bit of potato.
Oh yeah, that's like a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Oh wow! Isn't that cute?
Oh, you did it with that one.
Yeah, but we're not.
It's more work.
No, we're not doing
Doing
this because now it's too thin. Look at
Little cutie patootie.
it's
a cutie pierogi.
we're not doing that.
Yeah.
That's only if you're selling them. You don't want to make big ones.
That's what
Yeah,
Matt.
For the
Matt
people that are buying.
Maddie can have her first pierogi, right?
A dozen teeny tiny.
Little
not
Maddie
even
can have her
tea
pierogi.
size. Yeah, no, we're not doing that.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yipper.
honey, you're gonna have to really edit.
I told you, there's no editing. This is going on.
It's raw. You're raw dogging it.
Raw dogging it. You better believe it. Oh, you know what? If we got the door open, it's gonna get hotter in here because we got the heat on.
Sorry.
Look at it's like I'm like why
Trying
is
to
it?
let-
No, open
Shut
the
the-
door.
okay.
Turn this off. There.
They'll just be like, oh, it's cold in here.
It's even hot. No, it's hotter in here because the thing is going. Oh fuck! We gotta warm that place up.
All right, so we have multiple generations going on with this.
3.
You see how it just went out?
Three?
Because Pat
Yep.
and I are What are we, baby boomers?
Yes.
You two are you sort of millennials?
Gen X. She's Gen X. I'm an elder millennial.
Oh,
Elder.
and so what are you as Gen Z?
I don't want to be an elder millennial. I can't. What? Where's the cutoff? 80? It depends. 79?
Yeah, depends on how.
It depends on what article
Yeah, but
you
I
read.
used to say I didn't like millennials, but I do now.
Like, that's why I don't want to be considered an elder millennial. Because they're lazy. I'm Stephanie.
This is 2 bags of.
Aren't
This
millennials
is 2
lazy?
bags of
Yeah.
5-pound russet potatoes.
Okay, because that's what I thought, you know, when I was writing stuff down to figure out money and stuff. And I
Yeah.
thought, well, she must get
I only got 2.
110.
Right.
All right, what do we?
I just
Oh, you
I'm
just-
salting
No.
the water.
5 pounds.
We want it to
I don't
be
even know if they sell. But I
barely
I
salty because it gives flavor to it.
Because
Okay.
one year
Yeah.
I used.
So I'm waiting for this one to boil. And I wait until she has a dozen over there, then I put the dozen in. And I
All
cook
right.
a dozen at a time, because that's how we track it.
I didn't take them out real
So
early.
I just wait.
He loves it.
Okay, no swearing. We're live.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So when we get a dozen, we put them in, and when they raise to the top, I set the timer to 10 minutes, and then I just kind of baby them and watch them. I mean, and then if some of them break, they're ones we can eat. Like I see one might have a little hole in it, but I think we're doing good. And this is some nice salted water.
And the one guy.
And then when they're done, I put them in a pan, give them a little onion and butter, and they're good.
All right.
Yeah. That's it. Okay, so these are ready. So what I do is I just pull them out.
I don't know. What am I?
Just drain the water off of them.
Hobo. Honey, what casserole was it? I'm a star! Superstar!
We're recording. Oh, look at this little tiny one. That's for the baby.
It's a mini me.
It's for the baby.
My last one.
Okay.
Okay.
And then I'm going to bring them over here.
I can tell the kids. I said, I'm so tired.
And we're going to put them in the pan.
And AI said, people don't like it because she keeps
This
saying,
one has a
"But
little
you're
hole in it, but it's
not
not like
that."
leaking the potato, so it's going to go in. So this one, I think it's going to hold.
Because I was taking care of you.
But you don't have to be now.
Yeah, but I'm by myself. What am I going to do?
I'm by myself. He works.
Yeah, but you can't have.
Yeah, but for a long time I didn't have anybody.
Yeah, well, I haven't had
Then
anybody for a long time either.
I'm trying to think how I do this.
I know there's
Bring the pan over.
I have to add some more people. They have some
Onion and
flavor
butter.
whatever.
And she said we can go easy on it because she does add more onion and butter on the day that we bake them, Christmas Eve. So that's probably good. And there is our first dozen.
First layer. Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
A can of French onion Campbell soup. Hi. And then 2025 pierogi making is done. How many, Crystal? How many?
164.
164. Oh, that's more than last year. We're done, and it took us a few. What time?
It's 3:11. It probably took us
11,
3 hours, if that.
12. Yeah,
I mean, we
about
started
3
at
hours.
11.
Yeah, so we're done, and there were 5 of us, and we made good time. Addie learned a lot. That's good. She's the next generation after us 2 generations. And then I'll let them cool, and then I'm going to put them in the freezer.
How long have we been doing this tradition? When did it start? In the 80s?
Before? Oh, yeah.
Well, Mom died.
Well, we
and-
did it with Grandma. We did it at Mom's,
Yeah.
and then after Mom passed away, did we not do it for a little bit?
For a couple years.
For a couple years we
and
did,
then
we
I
bought
start.
them.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
2006
I'm eating potatoes.
when I was here.
Potatoes.
last year.
No pierogi.
The filling, so good.
So we've been doing it almost 20 years this
Oh,
way.
yeah.
But prior to that, you guys did it with.
Yeah.
Yeah, with Grandma
We did it
and
at
Mom.
Mom's house and at Grandma's house, and yeah.
And now we do it here. I need a bigger kitchen.
So this is a holiday tradition.
yes,
Polish.
Polish.
And I need a bigger kitchen.
Yeah.
We found we need more counter space. I need a bigger island.
I've been pinching since I was like 4 years old.
Yeah. And how old are you now?
44.
44.
Wow.
I've been pinching for 40 years.
I'm only 46.
I know. How'd that happen?
You know, that's gonna be on
That's fine.
YouTube. You admitted to how old.
Hey.
Yeah, we'll have to look back when I say, how old is Stephanie again? She's between Matt and Joey.
Maybe we get a GoFundMe page going so we get you a new kitchen.
There we go.
Yes. Girls?
Yeah,
Right?
you like that.
All right, we'll put it right here.
Pinching and a grinning.
Yeah. And yeah, I guess that's it. It always feels good when we're finished.
And then we just have
And
to
then
wait.
Christmas.
Wait
Yeah,
for
we
Christmas
wait.
Eve. The long
Yeah,
wait
we
for
do our
Christmas
Christmas Eve
to
because
eat
that's
it.
when our Polish family always did it.
Our Wigilia.
Yeah.
Except we don't really do the true Wigilia.
No, no.
Because we eat
We
meat.
eat meat.
We eat
We're
meat.
meat eaters.
We're meat eaters, right?
Yeah.
True Polacks don't eat meat on Christmas Eve.
Have I got to edit that? What was it?
Oh.
What did you say, Bub? We still like the bone?
I said we still eat meat. I said giggity. Organic.
All right, so till next time, it's Sue and Vinny behind the camera from V&Sflavorful Journeys and all the girls. My family. Mi familia. Oh, that's Italian.
Yeah.
Come over.
Crystal,
Get in for a groupie and
let's see. Pat, our matriarch.
Hatu,
Suska,
Suska.
Stephanie,
That's my name. Good job.
Crystal, and Addie.
They flew me in today. No.
and that's a wrap on our holiday production.
Yeah.
Our Polish holiday production.
Yeah, we'll see how this turned out. I always wanted to film it, and we only do it once a year because it's quite, it's quite a thing, and it's hard. Everybody's working. I mean, Pat and I are retired, but everybody's working, so we've been lucky we can all get together. We're blessed, we're blessed that we're all together.
And how many generations?
3.
Today.
Today.
3 today. Oh, yeah.
It goes back to your grandparents and your great grandparents.
Oh, well, yeah, great-grandma. Yeah.
Great
No, grandma. Grandma would have been your great-grand. You
Grandma
don't
Bliss
remember.
would have been your great grandma.
And you were probably.
And our
Oh, you weren't born yet when she passed away because it was the 80s. Something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But our great grandma.
Send a comment, like,
Yeah.
subscribe.
Yeah.
Just what I said, right?
What he said. See, I can never remember that. But I love all you people, and we're happy to have you see. You might learn something. If you have a better way, drop a comment. Let us know. Bye. Happy holidays coming up.